Hello, welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. I remember myself, the great Johnsonkeyz. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you some very nice hold and drop techniques that we use a lot on 3. So listen to this. Has the bee planted from... So instead of just holding chord, has the bee. So instead of doing all those, you can do your 1, 5, then right, your 6. So a lot of them. So on your 2 you can, right? So there are a lot of them. So I'll just show you some of the tricks to this. So when you have a progression going from 7, 3 to 6. So from your 3 to 6, you can always do this. I'm in the key of C, right? So I'm in the key of C. So you can always do this on your 3. So that's A flat and A going down, up and down. They are playing, right? And then we have okay. So A flat is going to A simultaneously. F is going to F sharp. So together. Then coming back. So out, in. While you hold your 3 on your left, on the right. So then you have in the middle you have this. So this is like a technique also, just like you have a drop 2 technique. This is also a technique. So there's that. There's the one on 6 also. Right? So let's check this out. I will praise your lifted eye. So it basically works for the song that's going from 6 to 2. That was not the best example, but then I hope you get the idea. So you can have this also. So your 6 going to your 7 on the left. So we have 6 to 7, 7 to minor 2, the minor 2 to 2, right, and it goes like that. So on your right hand you have a 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to minor 7, right, and so it goes like this, right, then. So that's that. So you can do this 3 to 6, then 6 to 2 to 2. You can do that on 5 also. So your 2 to 5 chord. What song can we use? London Bridge is falling down. Will this work? London Bridge is falling down. Sorry, she's not gonna work. I fell lady. Alright, so that's that. So you can do that also. So 5 to 6 to 7, 1, right? On the left, on the right hand, you have a 3 to 4 to 5 to 6, flat 6, right? So it gives you that. You can also do this on your 2. Call you girl. Okay, so that makes sense. Holy, how you girl wanna of creation. So your 6, then on 2 you can do call you girl. So before going to 5, yeah, you can do that. Worthy is your name. So and it keeps going like that. So I just showed you from 3 to 6. I showed you 6 to 2. The hack for that, I showed you the one for 2 to 5. Then the one for 5. So you can fix all this, not all. at all times. You can fix them in different parts of different songs. So, but it doesn't make sense to just play them in one song, except you want to overplay, right? So, and I'm not a preacher of overplaying, right? But I'm also a preacher of learning a lot of stuff, knowing a lot, so that you don't get stranded when you need to do stuff. All right, so that's that. God bless you. Bye.